Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to prepare kara puri. Many of you may be knowing it. Kara puri is a very good combination for idlis, dosas and even for chapatis also. Some of them they like. So kara puri is also called as gunpowder. Some people they call it as a gunpowder. And the recipe what I'm going to show you today is Chennai special. So let's start the video. This kara podi, you can take it on a plate and add till oil, mix it well, and the idlis when coated with this kara podi is awesome for travels. So when you go on traveling, you can take this kara podi coated idlis, and this will last for one, even sometimes 2 days also. Now the main ingredients for making kara puri is these are the ingredients. Now you can see one glass of urad dal, and I have taken chana dal. Chana dal is I have taken half a glass, the same glass, half a glass of chana dal. Now I've taken 50 grams and 50 grams of red chili. You should not remove the stalk because when you fry it, the seeds inside the chilies will spill into the kadai and it will get burned quickly. So let us not remove the stalk first. After frying it, we can remove. And the quantity of the chilies according to your taste, whether if you want less, you can add less quantity of chilies, or you can increase the quantity also. It all depends on your wish. This is white pill, the same quantity, 2 tablespoons of white pill I have taken. And this is hing asafoetida. This also enhances the taste. And the required quantity of salt. Okay, let's start how to prepare kara puri. Now these ingredients we have to fry very carefully. If you fry it more, then it will lose its taste. So I have taken 1 teaspoon of oil in the kadai, and now I am adding this. First we will fry red chili. Once the red chili is fried, you can see the red chili after getting fried, it will bloat, it will become big in size. Now once it is roasted, you can transfer it into plate. In the same manner, you have to fry urad dal, chana dal and sesame seeds, and while frying you have to add little asafoetida and of course salt also. And the main thing, the main secret tip to make the kara podi very tasty, you have to fry it in a very without oil. Only for red chilies you will have little oil, but for other ingredients you need not put any oil because we want it to store it for months. Now these are all the fried items. You can see I have removed the stalk of the chilies because some people they have and we can grind it with the stock, but as we are going to store it for more days, it is better to remove the stock. So I removed it, and asafoetida you can add powder also. I have taken the solid one. This is also LG asafoetida, and this gives a very good aroma. I have taken only chilies now. Now I'll grind it to powder first. You can see uh, these are all the fried dal and sesame seeds and all I have taken it. Now to this mirchi mixing what we have grinded, I am going to add this. I have added the required quantity of salt also. So no need to the salt according to your taste. This karapudi, some people like it coarse. To enhance the taste, we can have 1 teaspoon of sugar or 1 teaspoon of powder jaggery. That gives, it depends on you whether if you want to add it, you can add, or else you can skip. Finally, the karapudi is ready. This is a Chennai special karapudi, and when you are having it with idli, you can have it with til oil. It will be very tasty. And when you are traveling, you can take the required quantity of karapudi and with a little til oil on the top, and you can coat the idli with the karapudi, and you can for travels it will last for a day or two also. It will be very awesome. You can try and see. Thank you.